The Indian National Congress on Friday announced its first list of candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, releasing the names of 39 candidates who will go on the ballot in April-May this year. Of the 39, one contestant is Kerala Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who is set to contest from his home constituency of Thiruvananthapuram. Tharoor is currently a sitting member of parliament from the same constituency on his third term. Tharoor's opponent, the Union Minister of State for Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar, is a three-time Rajya Sabha member. He will be contesting for a Lok Sabha seat for the first time. Shashi Tharoor's political journey is a captivating tale of intellect, eloquence and unwavering dedication to public service. Born on March 9, 1956 in London, Tharoor's academic prowess was evident from a young age. He excelled academically, earning degrees from prestigious institutions like St. Stephen's College in Delhi, where he pursued a bachelor's degree in history and subsequently a master's degree from the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy at Tufts University in the United States. Tharoor further solidified his intellectual standing with a PhD in International Relations and Affairs from the Fletcher School. Tharoor's entry into the political arena was marked by his appointment at the United Nations, where he served for nearly 3 decades in various high-profile roles. His tenure at the UN not only showcased his diplomatic finesse, but also earned him widespread recognition for his advocacy on global issues such as human rights, peacekeeping and development. In 2009, Tharoor made his foray into Indian politics, contesting and winning the Lok Sabha elections from the Thiruvananthapuram constituency in Kerala, representing the Indian National Congress Party. His victory was not merely symbolic, it signaled the arrival of a new breed of politician, one whose erudition and cosmopolitan outlook resonated with the changing India. 2009. Tharoor was elected to 15th Lok Sabha from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, where he defeated P. Ramchandran Nair of the Communist Party of India by a margin of 1 lakh votes. He was later appointed Union Minister of State External Affairs in the Manmohan Singh administration. 2010, Tharoor was sworn in as a member of the Committee on External Affairs. 2012, Tharoor was re-inducted into the cabinet as Union Minister of State Human Resource Development. 2014, he was re-elected from Thiruvananthapuram, defeating O. Rajgopal of the Bharatiya Janata Party by a margin of around 15,700 votes. 2019, Tharoor made a hat-trick of victory from Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha constituency as a Congress MP. He defeated BJP candidate Kumanam Rajshekharan by a margin of 99,989 votes. Shashi Tharoor, known for his articulate speeches, literary prowess and political acumen, has also found himself embroiled in personal controversies that have garnered significant attention over the years. One of the most prominent controversies surrounding Tharoor's personal life emerged in 2010 with the tragic death of his wife, Sunanda Pushkar. Sunanda was found dead in a hotel room in New Delhi under mysterious circumstances just days after publicly accusing Tharoor of having an affair with Pakistani journalist Meher Tarar. These circumstances surrounding her death raised suspicions and led to intense media scrutiny, with speculations ranging from suicide to foul play. The case underwent a series of twists and turns, including investigations by various agencies, but ultimately the cause of Sunanda's death was ruled as unnatural by Indian authorities. Despite these controversies, Tharoor remains a prominent figure in Indian politics, admired for his intellect, oratory skills and contributions to public discourse. Despite facing occasional controversies and political skirmishes, Tharoor has remained undeterred in his commitment to serve the nation. His appeal transcends party lines, with many admiring him for his intellect, integrity and dedication to public service. In the ever-evolving landscape of Indian politics, Shashi Tharoor stands as a beacon of hope, a statesman whose vision for a progressive and inclusive India continues to inspire generations. Sitting MP Shashi Tharoor will contest from Thiruvananthapuram for the 4th consecutive term. The former Union Minister has been winning the Thiruvananthapuram seat since 2009. Pitted against BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the competition is to be watched out for.